This is Tim. In this video, he'll show you how to easily replace the finishing of your existing switch or socket outlet with another one. First, you must check whether your existing equipment can actually be replaced. Do you have a finishing from the series Niko Original, Niko Intense, or Niko Pure? You can recognize them from the square opening of around 45 by 45 mm in the faceplate. Great! With these, you can replace the finishing without adjusting the mechanism. Do you have one of these switches? Ouch! Those are from an old range. Everything will need to be replaced. You're best off getting an installer to do that. You can find one in your area at niko.eu. Now that we're certain that we can replace the existing finishings, we can get started. All you need are 2 screwdrivers, slot head and Phillips head, a multimeter, and your new faceplates and finishing sets. Tim has chosen the Niko Intense Matte Black. But if you'd like something else, all the finishings for switching material and socket outlets can be found on the Niko website. Safety first. First, switch off the device at the fuse box, just to be sure. And check with the multimeter in a socket outlet whether the voltage really is off. Then you remove the current equipment's faceplate. Find the recess and put a screwdriver in. Prise it upwards carefully until you hear and feel the faceplate come loose. Now you're going to remove the finishing set too. With a socket outlet, you loosen the middle screw and remove the finishing set from the mechanism. With the switch, this is just like with the faceplate. You put the screwdriver under the recess on the side until you feel the plate click free. Now it's just the mechanism left in the wall. You mount the new finishing on top of this. For the socket outlet, you secure the finishing set in place by tightening the middle screw. With the switch, you click the central plate onto the mechanism's button. Press firmly until you hear a click and can feel that it's securely in place. Then you click the finishing onto it. Push the faceplate firmly so everything fits nicely to the wall. Switch the fuse back on and done. You can remove the finishing again just as easily when you want to paint the wall, for example. You don't have to tape up the faceplate, you just click it off from the mechanism.